Welcome to BulldogRealty.com. Check out all of our new home communities organized by the county. Each are located within Northeast Georgia. Many qualify for USDA 100% mortgage financing. Go Dogs! Craftsman style ranch, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, concrete siding with brick accent, patio, open floor plan. Kitchen has custom white cabinets, island, pantry, granite kitchen countertops, wood-burning brick accent fireplace. Master suite has walk-in closet. Master bath has separate shower and garden tub. Double vanity, 2-car garage. Harmony plan. Home is under construction. Seller is offering with full price offer $8,000 credit towards closing costs. Included upgrades with full price offer: covered rear porch, 6 FT wood privacy rear fence, refrigerator, 2-inch FAUX blinds, garage opener.